National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point in Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 10:45 a.m. At 9:12 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 29 nautical miles west of Middle River to 6 nautical miles west of Fort Smallwood State Park to Choptank River, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Turkey Point, Gunpowder River, Northeast River, Lytton Point, Pools Island, Spessooty Island, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:30 a.m. for southern and middle, southeastern St. Mary's and eastern Calvert counties. At 9:07 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Chesapeake Beach to St. Indigo's Creek, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Lexington Park, Chesapeake Ranch Estates, Chesapeake Beach, Piney Point, Tall Timbers, St. Indigo's Creek, Cuckold Creek, St. Mary's City, St. George Island, Coward Cliffs, Greenwell State Park, St. Leonard Creek, Breezy Point, Town Creek, Flag Harbor, St. Mary's River, California, Lusky, Pawtuxet River Naval Air Station, and St. Leonard. Get indoors to protect yourself from wind and lightning. Trees around you may be down from damaging winds, so if you are near large trees, move to an